Okay, so I'm after the length of C. Are you happy that if you want to work with Pythagoras in 3 dimensions, it's exactly the same as working in 2 dimensions? The definition still extends, and if you like, you can draw out yourself a little cuboid, then draw yourself a diagonal of that cuboid, and then work it out from there. But I can prove to you that it is the same. Okay? So in other words, I should just take the square of each of these lengths and sum them, add them together, and then take the square root. So it should just be the square root of 7 squared plus 1 squared plus negative 2 squared. And again, be careful to put this into brackets, because you want to be sure to square the entirety of negative 2. So, okay, 7 squared is 49, 1 squared is 1, negative 2 squared is 4. Add them together, you get, good, square root of 54. And just because I'm feeling like it, why don't we simplify that using surds? So what would that be if we wanted to simplify it? So think of 2 numbers which multiply together to make 54, and one of them has to be square. Are either of those square? Oh yeah, you are right. Sorry, yes, you're 1 step ahead of me. Okay, so this is the same as the square root of 9 times by the square root of 6. Square root of 9 is 3, and I can just write square root of 6 like that.